The KSM195 Stand Mixer is the stand mixer that I like to say comes with all the bells and whistles. It has the most included accessories within our stand mixer range. Starting with 2 bowls, there is a 4.7 litre brushed stainless steel bowl with this beautiful polished band, and this bowl has a handle. There is also a 2.7 litre bowl. This one does not have a handle. A pouring shield, which helps to add ingredients directly into the beater and also to stop any powder puff or splashes when mixing. There are 4 mixing accessories available with the KSM195, and let me take you through them. There is a wire whisk. So the wire whisk is for aeration, for adding air into your meringues and cream. There is a flex edge beater. This is what I like to call the wooden spoon of the mixer. It combines and mixes ingredients together. This silicone strip helps to scrape the bowl so you don't have to stop the mixer as often and scrape the bowl yourself. There is also a pastry beater. This is for sweet crust and short crust pastry. So it basically rubs the butter through the flour. This is also a great little versatile accessory. It's wonderful for shredding meats, mashing potatoes, and also doing a chunky guacamole. And lastly, the dough hook. This is for all your pizza doughs, bread doughs, and pasta doughs. We have a little rule here at KitchenAid. Whenever you're using your dough hook, do not take the mixer up past speed 2. Then finally, there is a little bowl scraper. So great to be able to scrape the little bits left in your bowl. It's also a bench scraper, so great for pastries as well. So that is the KSM195 stand mixer.